What's up guys, it's Nicole. So now that I have my makeup done, today we're doing a styling video. I'm going to show you guys how I pick out my outfits for a specific genre of dance. So let's start off with gangster hip hop. Here's an example of what I would wear. So these are joggers from Noon Bangkok. And I really like these because they have mesh at the bottom. The t-shirt, this is from Forever 21, and it's just a green t-shirt that says Lovers, and then it has like rainbow on the side. So I like to pair these up because these are kind of high-waisted, and this is cropped. So to cancel out the so much croppiness, you just pair these together. Even though it's like gangster hip hop, I still like to dress like a little bit girly. Next, jazz funk. So this is just like full girly. I like to wear like shorts for jazz funk, and again, just another t-shirt. So these are some shorts from Noon Bangkok. I really love this color. And then in the back, it's just like cut. And then for the shirt, this is from Q Love. It's this yellow with this maroon lettering saying outfit. And I like this because it matches the maroon. And sometimes for jazz funk, I'll like tie my shirts so you can see my belly a little bit. Full girliness. And lastly, we have like technical, contemporary, lyrical. I like to usually always wear leggings for this type of genre because if there's floor work, you don't want to like mess up your knees because that really hurts. So I'll wear leggings like these. These are also high-waisted. These are from Aerie, and they are like the softest things ever. And I would pair it with like a long cropped bra. So this is from Aviva, and it's like a light blue. And it looks like this together. I like to dress in stuff that I'm very comfortable in, and you also want to think of if you're dancing in like a white wall, you don't want to wear all white. And if you're shooting something like a dance video and you're at like a nighttime location, you should wear like brighter colors like white, light pink, pastel colors so you really pop out. That was really fast. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my makeup tutorial that I did on this channel, make sure to check that out. And follow me on Instagram at Nicole Laeno. Peace.